Hey guys, Coyote here. I thought I might show you a quick video of my Airsoft suppressor, which I pretty much use in all my videos for my voice pretty much. So, just gonna phone, you better not fall off. Stay. Alright. You have one job, one opportunity. Enough with the Eminem references. Okay. I feel a little bit sick today, so just kinda bam, MacGyver. Oh, alright, now MacGyver. So here is the suppressor. It's a Thunderbee shell, and that's gonna be my target up front. Semi-auto with my M21. Alright. I think it's better if I do that. I'm being honest, I'm not even aiming. I was like at the phone right now, so you guys want to talk crap on my aiming. Now, technically, it would be illegal to have a working suppressor in California, because any silencer device on a replica firearm or a real firearm is prohibited in the state of California as of 2015. That can. I don't know if you guys can see that little can right next to the box, little blue thing. Alright. Yeah, my scope mount's coming in tonight, so I'm gonna upload this. I'm gonna try uploading this thing, another thing, the unboxing video tonight, because I forgot the Airsoft footage I had. It was good. We had a little Mexican standoff and everything. This one kid pointed a gun at himself and said, "I got myself, guys," and starts walking backwards into a wall and trips over. And I was so pissed off, my phone didn't capture that. I only got 30 seconds of an Airsoft video, so those guys who I promised to be on YouTube, I'm sorry. Now, I don't know if you guys want a video on how to make a suppressor like this. If you guys want to, want one like this, I can put a review if you guys want, but it can't just be one of you guys, because as much as you guys want that to happen, it's just not worth it, you know. I got lucky when I found this perfect Thunderbee shell. Someone just gave it to me, so that person watching this video, thank you, homie. Ooh, ricochets. Alright. Now, let's just look at this carnage. That's where it's aiming. I got a fly. I shot a lizard here. I wonder if it's over here. I can show you the dead corpse though, just for the sake of the video. Oh, yeah, he's still here, yeah. I'm gonna be honest with you, I did not mean to shoot him. I was shooting, and he got curious, walked straight into the BB, and lost a leg. Actually, let me show you something else. I am also painting a scope, which looks really, really better now. Probably not going to use this. Yeah, I'm not going to use this one. I'm going to use a different one. Yeah. Anyways. Yeah, here's a little tutorial. You cut the front part, match with the back, tape it, done. So anyways, thank you for watching, and for the hell of it, hold up, oh crap, it's not as easy as it looks, alright? Yeah, this thing's fun. Let me just try. Is that good? You guys see it ricochet? Oh man. If I can edit videos, this would be like the best video ever. The amount of ricochets coming at me. Anyways, I'd say that about does it for this video. Thank you for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe.